This is how you're going to fix Payoneer verification code not received. The best fixes on a PC involve using alternative methods, as network issues are often phone related. Now, the first thing that you can do is to use the Call Me alternative. So on your Payoneer login screen, when prompted for the code, look for and select the Call Me option. Now, it's going to look like this. So I'm going to just show you this blurred picture just to give you an idea on what you're going to see. So you're going to enter your verification code right here, and then if you cannot receive it, you can just click on Resend or Call Me option right here beneath or just beside the code again. Now, this will allow or will place an automated call to your registered number and verbally provide the verification code, bypassing the SMS issue. Now, you can also switch to Authenticator app post login. So once you manage to log in, you're going to immediately go to settings. So you're going to head over to this top right corner of your screen. You're going to click on your name, and then you're going to click on settings. Now, on your settings page, you're just going to click on security settings, and then from here, on your Payoneer website, you're going to switch to your 2FA method from SMS to mobile authenticator app like Google Authenticator or Authy. So you can just click on it right here. You can just click on Switch Authenticator app, and then from there, you can do this for a much more reliable experience. Now, you can only change this by adding your verification code once again right here. Now, you can only do this once you actually manage to log in. Now, once you cannot log in, what you can do instead is you can just contact support via web. So from your page, you're going to once again click on your name at the top right corner. So if you cannot log in at all, you can use the Payoneer support center. So if you manage to log in, you can just access it from your name right here at the top right corner and just click on support center. But if you cannot log in, you can just type it in your website. So I'm going to show you how you can do that. So I'm going to type in Payoneer support center, and then from there you will be able to see it pop up. So you can just click on it right here, the Payoneer support. Now, what you can do is it will open a ticket or access the live chat, and then they can temporarily switch your 2FA to your email to regain access. And that is how you're going to fix Payoneer verification code not received. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.